Right, hello everybody. Here it is, my new autumn cluster kit, and I'm calling it because it's not just clusters really. It's like I've added a few things different. I had to keep doing that because that keeps me sort of interested, if you know what I mean, or else it becomes exactly the same thing all the time, and that's no good for me. So I called it Autumn Cluster Medley. All right. So you do get a 24, I think it's 24 pages. You get 3 sheets of collage. Yeah. And you get one that's sort of more muted. And then I've done one tone on tone. These are really handy, these papers. All right. They, you know, and the tone on tone kit will go, I'm going to use that with this, I think, to just counteract a few things. I like all the bright colours. These are the tear pages. Okay, so you just got little bits of papers that you can, you know, make your clusters out. You can still cut them down. They're just nice and bright, all to me. So I think there's 3 sheets of those. Yeah, I printed this on my laser, so I can't get full scat with it, but I don't mind because the colour don't run. So there we go, and there's that one there. And this one has been in my William Morris 1, 2, 3, I think, but I really like those, so I put a bit of those in case you haven't got the kit. Then they're quite nice, they're beautiful for autumn. Then I've got, there's only 1 sheet of that, I've just printed it twice. I put it onto, this is the washi, the faux washi tape. Okay, I put it onto tracing paper, and I've shown you before, but I've done it so that it fits this one, whatever size it is. It's about 3/4 of an inch, something like that. No, 1/2 an inch, sorry. Take that back. So these are 1/2 an inch strips, okay, and all I do is I would just tape down there. You don't have to be totally accurate either. Okay, and then rip off. I would do right the way down like that. I usually cut off the end when, you know, I stick it to the glass mat, if you know what I mean, and do it all the way down like that. Sorry, I've missed one, I know that. And then you just cut them down. Okay, and it's just like washi tape. It's lovely. I love using them. Don't use them enough really. Right, oh, a minute, that's the small, sorry, there is a bonus small sheet in this one, so I'm just gonna, yep, this is the sort of bigger clusters, if you know what I mean, but I still want it because you can still cut these sort of things down, okay, and cut parts of it. But I've got smaller ones as well, but, and that one there. Okay, little frames and some little toppers. Hopefully I haven't used any of these before, so I tried to, but I can't keep up with what I've used sometimes. And then I've got some little frames, some little circles that you can cut out, and these can be cut down individually as well, but I quite like that big size for the bigger ones. And then I've got some nice big butterflies. Okay, I love them, and I know I haven't used these. I'm not sure about that one though, might be in one of my kits. That looks familiar, but these were new ones I found, and I thought, oh, they look really good for autumn. So there. Then some flowers, got smaller butterflies down here, also got a page of them shrunk down as well, and I thought all these are beautifully for autumn, beautiful. And then I've got 2 pages of just tags. These are more plain, so you can add your own embellishments, and don't forget you can make tags out of the collage sheets as well. And that's those, that's them all decorated. They're shrunk down as well. Then I've got some tickets. These take me ages, but I love them when I've done them. So tickets. And then the journaling cards that I've done I've got 2 sheets of those. Are quite large, but I've also shrunk them down as well, because I thought, well, there's still work if you're going to make a journal, you know, for a front cover or anything like that. But these are all new. And that's shrunk down. I've got another. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then these are horizontal, and then these ones is vertical. Okay. Or portrait, I should say. There we go. Either or, really, that one. So, and that one. Yeah, you could play with those, no problem. And then I've got everything shrunk down. Okay, so smaller tags there. And you could mix and match those. You could put the big one, say, of these, and then put a smaller one on the top, and vice versa. That sort of thing can happen. And then that's the journaling cards, shrunk down a bit more. Okay, it's sort of large clusters really, but you can do some small ones as well out of these things. Okay, and they're shrunk down too. And then the fussy cuts. Oh, I didn't see the fussy cuts. Oh, I did. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, that's 2 to a page. Okay, this is just for ease of printing. Oh, this one comes as is. It's all tiny little bits of ephemera and some stamps and things I found that I thought might be nice to work with the kit. Okay, that's as is. That's not shrunk down, and that one is as is as well. Okay, yeah, there's 5 sheets of the kit that's shrunk down, and then the rest is large. So, well, I hope you like that. And I think I'm going to cut it out now. I'm going back into the at home at the moment. Not staying in the studio, so I'm going to cut all this out, ready to work with it, because I'm in the middle of doing some clusters. Don't know whether you've seen the video yet. No, it's probably not up, because I'm putting this up like now. And I'm in the middle of doing some clusters, and I thought, no, I want to incorporate some of these because I'm going to be using it in my next journal. So I'm trying to do, I don't know how the journal's going to go, but I don't know what else I'm going to use. I'm going to use some pages from different kits, what I've got. The thing is, I've got quite a few here. So, and I've also got the kit from, that's, what do you call it? This is just, actually, I think I might have changed a few things. Yeah, because I changed that. I didn't like that. I don't think I've printed it out. No, I haven't. But I changed the kit that I just put up on Ko-fi's site. Okay, is going to go with it as well, because it is basically the same sort of things. All right, but this is the what's it version, inkjet. I'll get my words out in a minute, Andrea. Oh dear. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that as well, but not those. They'll be more for journaling cards and things, because I quite like it when I do use inkjet as well as the laser, because the laser's very shiny. I mean, it's beautiful and vibrant, but sometimes I don't always want that. So it's quite nice if I use some of the sheets, and I like that with that. Look at that with that. That's, oh, it's going to be lovely. Yeah, okay, I'm going to have fun with that. It's my favorite colors in this kit for autumn anyway. It's gone quite orange, so I'm going to have to maybe bring a bit of green in to balance it out a little bit, and a bit of neutral. Yeah, and I've got a nice bit of yellow there too. Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy that, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.